pretty peaceful in Inwood, this intersection this time of year. Found a couple clips in my camera roll there. Thought you'd be interested in seeing. This is well after the 911 call. I don't know. Check this out though. Check this out. This is some diabolical. This is you know, years after they already friggin' called the cops on me. Mark? Look at this. The rat goofs. Cop collars. The cop collars are having rip-roar burnouts out in front of their house now. Oh, isn't that something? We should like call 911 and film out the window and friggin' start saying how the kids and stuff, like, look at the kids outside. The kids are outside. They're gonna get hit by the cars doing burnouts. We better call the cops. And you say, holy shit. Oh, look at this one. Good Lord. That's crazy. Ain't that some shit, though? I think there's a type of person. They call that, who will just completely rat you out and try to dishevel your whole existence, but do the exact same thing. But I mean, they're pieces of shit, right? If you want, I'll tell you guys about how they tried to sue me too. But you got to share and like the video. If it gets a whole bunch of shares and likes, and then I, you know, get some more traction, then we can make more of these type of itches, right? But for years, they didn't even use this side of the house at all. Okay? They only used the other side. They like parked out front and set up the other side of the house with like a hot tub and a bunch of crap and stuff, so they didn't even have to be on this. It wasn't too bad, eh? But you imagine having to live beside just El Rabbity Cam Rata for years, and then they pull off the same stunts. But that's okay.
Yeah.
Eh? That's okay.
It doesn't count for them.
No, that's different. That was different though, right?
Yeah,
so,
it's different.
yeah. Anyways, got a new neighbor now. Hey, hooked him up with security cameras too. Yeah. Hey. I just don't want people driving back there. For some reason, people will drive in the driveway, and then instead of just driving there and then going to the door, they just like drive back in there, and then I just start f***ing snapping, right? And then they're like, oh man, you're like freaking out. Yeah, I just put a video up today about the old ostrich trucks filming out your front window at the big rip-roaring burnout. Hey, while they're on the phone with 911. Eh?
Dude, burnouts in front of the house. Oh god.
Well, he got all butthurt because he crashed a bike over here, and then they tried to like sue me or something. Look at this unit, eh? That looks like a pan tilt zoom type situation.
Yeah, it looks good.
Nice. Nice. Oh, you got one up front?
Yeah.
Holy. Zoom right in on the good stuff. Oh wow, look at that.
Can like watch the neighbors banging now.
Oh, fuck. Zooming right in the windows. Yeah, there it is.
You like ladders more than me?
Well, I can't say I do. I'm a good ladder
one's
holder.
not like
though.
even half.
Eh? No, it's still good. That's still totally good, that part. Holy dude. Just son of a bitch occurred my whole operation. Let's see.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Behind the scenes pug life. That's what I'm calling the channel, boys.
Just a live feed of my fucking yard from your camera. Hooked him. So we got Inwood on lockdown now. You can't even fucking fart without getting smelt on. You know what I mean? But anyways, Oh, look, Jim's here working on his truck again. Funny that.
Funny that.
Funny story about Jim, ladies and gentlemen.
Well,
Look at me. Frig a dick.